Hey everybody, welcome to my makeup corner. For those joining us for the very first time, welcome y'all. Welcome.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
The shout out of the day goes to Blue, my sister. I call her Blue. She is star 83. I miss you so much. I really do. Thank you for being a subscriber and for being the first person to comment. Shout out to you. Shout out to you, Blue, star 83. The highlight of today's tutorial is the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. I've had this palette for a couple of months and I've not really highlighted it out or created a whole video for it, so I thought I'll do that now. And then yeah, we'll do the rest of our makeup situation. We're starting off the tutorial, of course, with the eyes today, and because they are the highlights, you see them throughout the video. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to start the whole tutorial off with the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. You guys are so used to it, you know I'm definitely going to use it, especially for color. If you're here for the very first time, I already have an eyebrow tutorial. I will link it up just so you see how I do my eyebrows. I'll probably have an updated eyebrow tutorial very soon. I am still wearing the individual lashes, so don't be alarmed about how long my lashes are. Cool. And then we'll now start with the guest of honor today, and I'm going to do a very colorful look. I don't know where this is going yet, but I ask that you please bear with me regarding the situation here. I'm going to start off with that yellow there. And then next to it, I'll try that green there. Oh, the pigment is amazing. And then with the same brush on the other side, I'll just go into the blue, go in that blue. With a small blending brush, I'm going to go into that shade there and a little bit into the orange tap shade, just to correct there where I went above the line that I really wanted. With a different brush, I'm going to go into I'm going to go into pink. I'm going to go into my Essence base again. It's a bit dry. It likes to be applied, it likes color on top of it, but it's a bit wet. Right now it's a bit dry, so I'm just gonna layer another layer down here again a little bit with my beauty blender. Now that it's nice and wet, I'm going to go into the pink. Then I'll go into the purple. There's this beautiful shimmery green here. I'll use that. Hopefully you can see all those colors, you know, under my long lashes. And I just go in with the eyeliner from Wet n Wild. I'll go in with the Maybelline Skin Instant Pore Primer. I haven't used this one in a while. And for foundation, I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay Full Cover Foundation. I'll go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And then I'll go in with the Cover Stick Dark Roast Foundation Stick to contour. The best thing to blend out the foundation stick with is usually a brush, so I'll do that. Only because I want the highlight to set more, and then if you leave it on for a while, the more coverage you get out of your highlight, or your concealer, actually, your concealer. I'm not blending it a lot, just a little bit. Then with the damp beauty blender, Start at the edge of the concealer and then work your way towards the inner eye. And then set the concealer with the Color Loose foundation powder, face powder, not foundation powder. The trick with this face powder is that you don't let it, you don't bake with it, you just set. Because it is so heavily what do you call it, tinted, I guess, the color that it has in it, if you let it bake, then your highlight area or your concealing area is going to be more yellow or orange like the concealer. So the point is just to use it to set. After I'm done setting, I'm going to set my entire face with a mix of powders that I put together. Just couldn't get the right finish with the powders that are in the shop. So with the blender, we're just setting the rest of the face. I've learned that if you use this type of trick to set your entire face with your damn beauty blender and your powder, is that you don't apply a lot of product on your face. If you already have the perfect finish for your face and you go in with the powder and the powder is a bit lighter or it's too dark, then it also creates a very different color to your skin. So you really don't want to do a lot, you know, when you set everything. If we can find a tinted loose powder that is closer to your skin tone, even better, because you're just going with the blender and you just, you know, put this on. You don't layer so much product on your face. Also, if you don't, you know, get the proper setting powder for your face, at the end of the day, all the work you've done with the right corrector, the right setting powder, the right concealer, you contouring, will have gone to waste because you didn't properly set your concealer or your entire face with the face powder. Does that make sense? I hope it really makes sense. And then to bronze, I'm going to go in with my Revlon pressed powder. I'm using this one because I've already contoured with the stick foundation, so I don't want to add too much. So this is just to set that area as well, make sure it's highlighted nicely. Well, yeah, you know what I mean. I am not using the pressed powder to really contour. It's just to make sure that my, the area of my cheekbone is really highlighted but nicely warm for a nice natural finish. And then using my blush from Sleek, And then I'll go in with the Colourpop press powder. I use it as a highlight. You see it's been used and abused and overused and all of that good stuff. And then I'm going to go in with my lip gloss from Signature. I like how the color really looks. I like my matte lip. It's matte. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, leave your comment below. You might be part of my next shout out or the person I shout out next. And for the lash request, it's coming. It really is coming. I must just wait for this ones to like fall off before I do a tutorial on how to do individual or cluster lashes yourself, you know. So it's coming. That's it, swag fam. I will see you in my next makeup video.